A judge delayed opening statements for the third capital murder trial for Antonio AJ Armstrong Jr. They were supposed to start about 10:30 this morning. Armstrong is charged with killing his parents inside their Southwest Houston home in 2016. The first two trials ended in mistrials because of deadlocked juries. Adam Bennett was inside the courtroom this morning, joins us now live. And Adam, what happened?
So, Sherman, after meeting with both prosecutors and defense attorneys behind closed doors for about an hour, Judge Kelly Johnson came back into the courtroom just before 11. She said that an issue had developed that was, quote, outside the court's control. She then said opening statements would be pushed back a week. And that was it. She did not specify what that issue was. Neither prosecutors nor defense attorneys would comment on it either. It is important to note that the judge had instituted a gag order to try to limit publicity to avoid tainting a jury pool in this case. Earlier, though, we saw AJ Armstrong both arriving and leaving the court the same way, both ways. He was surrounded by his lawyers as well as his family and friends that have been supporting him for years, the last 7 years since this case happened. Armstrong was 16 when prosecutors say he shot and killed his parents, Don and Antonio Sr., while they slept. Prosecutors say alarm and cell phone records point to Armstrong being the only person who could have done it. But defense lawyers say there is no physical evidence linking him to that crime. And Armstrong maintains he saw a masked intruder inside the home that night. Now, although opening statements were scheduled to start today, we never actually saw the jury. 6 women and 10 men were selected last week to serve on that 12-person jury, along with having 4 alternates out of that group as well. They were questioned individually over the course of several weeks instead of in a group. That's one difference we've seen compared to the previous 2 trials in this case. Another one is that the judge is not allowing video or audio recording during opening statements, nor is she allowing the use of cell phones or laptops. Again, opening statements are now set to happen next Monday, June 12th at 10:30 in the morning. We'll be there for that. Sherman?
Boy, another twist in an ongoing legal drama. Adam Bennett, thank you.